Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the week in review. I haven't done this in a while, so I'm going to go ahead and cover the FOREX, futures, and stock indices as I trade them. Now, normally I would focus on Ken Long's Bollinger Band method, but I've integrated 3 of them, of the actual trading masters. Over a week, go ahead and show the strengths of each one of them. So the ones that I follow, of course, Dr. Ken Long's Bollinger Band method, and I also follow Hubert Center's, another one in terms of positioning and turns, Jason Shapiro. And so I've developed a way to look at overall methods to not only trade trend, but also trade the turns and positioning. So it's helped out a lot. And I've also integrated the Ichimoku in terms of targets. This is what you see over here. In terms of time and candle count. And of course, overall cloud, standard and turning line, and lagging line to identify overall trends within a particular instrument. So the first one that I look at is the FOREX, and I'm going off the weekly, which is the 4-hour. First day was Sunday because of the fact that FOREX trades 6 out of 7 days, and it doesn't take a break for U.S. holidays. It continues to trade all the foreign currencies during that time frame. So this opened up on Sunday at about 4 p.m. Central Time, and the first overall signal to short was Aussie dollar Japanese yen. Was here on Wednesday between 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock and had a nice $787 gain on this short for one standard lot. Next one was Aussie dollar US dollar on Sunday between 8 o'clock and 12. Went ahead, alerted a short, and went down the entire week for about an $895 gain on one standard lot. British pound had 2 trades actually that happened. First one was on Tuesday between 4 and 8. Initial short here, and as it continued to go down, stop was at break even, came up, stopped me out here. Second one was here, short here, nice overall gain, $1,646 on one standard lot. Zealand Japanese yen, also another trade here, started between 4 and 8 on Wednesday. Nice standard short here at the maximum range, and nice drop to a gain of $732 on one standard lot. Same with New Zealand US dollar here between 8 p.m. and midnight. Nice overall gain on this short for $579 one standard lot. US Canadian dollar was an overall buy. This was Friday. Started a buy here, another buy here, and then started its initial rise and continued up all the way up for a $242 gain. The initial one that was set was stopped out here for a break even, but this one stopped for a nice $242 gain. US dollar Japanese yen, nice overall short here. Nice gain on one standard lot, $1,415. Grand total, it's a little over $6,297. So that was FOREX on the 4-hour. Looking to the futures, same time frames. First one was Canadian dollar on the overall short here, $260 gain. Japanese yen on this nice buy, $1,025. Zealand on the short, it's a good old $625 on one contract. All these are one contract. Swiss franc, nice overall buy. Signal here for a nice overall gain, $1,900 on one contract. US dollar, overall short here. After that huge gap up, nice overall gain of $845 on one contract. Some of the big ones, as far as gainers go, one contract was initial short right out the bat here for copper, overall short, and did not come back up. $4,500 on one contract. Natural gas did the same thing. Overall short here, it stopped me out for break even. NASDAQ, beautiful short here. And here started its overall down move at an $8,500 move on one contract to the downside. A little over $17K for the week on one contract each of those trades. Now for the stock indices, I go to the half hour or 30 minutes, look for the extreme, and then basically don't worry about the gap. Don't do the swings. Just go ahead, buy in the open, sell in the close. And for all of these, from Bitcoin long, oil, Bull Z, copper, real estate short, Dussel, but you have to be careful of these low volume spreads here. EWW, EZU, FAS, FXE, FXY, IBS, IYZ, PAL. Basically all I do is just go long, so I'm looking for just the green. I'm not concerned with the extreme to the short side. All of these are longs. I basically do for my retirement account. Retail, oil short, Dow short, semiconductors long and short for the week. Switched off and short the S&P, NASDAQ, real estate short, Russell short, bonds short, Russell short. Basically your web or tech long, materials long, communications, and retail. So those were all the ones that are highlighted in blue in this column, along with a nice gain for the week of $12.37 a share. So that's all I have for this week's Week in Review. If you're interested in these kind of strategies and taking courses on how to learn and program in both PineScript and Python, click on the links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Sunday. Well, if you like this video, hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.